In this video I'll show you how to buy Ethereum on Coinbase. Click on the button at the bottom that says buy and then click on Ethereum, or if you don't see it, type ETH and then click on it. Now once you're on this interface, you need to choose how much money you want to put in. So for me it's euro, for you it might be USD, GBP, whatever your currency is. Let's say I want to buy 100 euros worth of Ethereum. I'll type 100. Or I can also choose to buy a specific amount of Ethereum. So I'll click on this button. You'll see that it toggles to Ethereum. Let's say I want to buy 0.1 Ethereum. I'll type 0.1 and it will tell me that I will need to spend 166 euros. Then the next step is to choose how you want to pay for it. So you'll see here pay with. You can pay with Google Pay, Apple Pay, credit card, debit card, Visa, MasterCard, or you can also choose to pay with the money in your spot wallet. If you don't know how to deposit money on Coinbase, go check out the video I've already made on the channel. So once you've chosen the payment method, click on it. So let's say I want to pay with Google Pay. I'll click on Google Pay and then click on review order. Here you'll see a summary of the order and click on buy now. Once everything is done, you'll find your Ethereum here in assets and then crypto.